Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato sheds. The sun is shining, it is phenomenal, and we're here. We've had this sign up for a few months, ready to see an amazing shed. Sean's already been here to pour the concrete slab, so coming soon, we've got a shed, let's take this thing down. This shed has been about a year in the making, and we're going to reveal it to you shortly. All right, how are you going there? Not too bad for an office worker. That's a man that's got some time on the tools. All right, Sean, let's make this happen. Awesome, we're here. What do we got? What's cladding this shed?
Awesome, Jace. We've got nice colour steel T-rib here in the slate colour. Awesome cladding here.
Windows from City Glass. Our mates in the Waikato have done a fantastic job. Shout out to you guys at City Glass. Kyron and his team, Deb and Jackson, they have done a phenomenal job on the flashing of these. This is picture perfect, habitable quality. And these guys put it up in a couple of weeks. So massive shout out, Kyron, Deb, Jackson. You guys are absolute legends. I love what you're doing. Now, what have we got over here?
All right, we got the hire bins from Cambridge Hire Bins and a portaloo from the Portaloo Hire Pool. What we do on our site, we make sure we look after the build crew. So we want to make sure they've got somewhere to go toilet if need be, but also a nice clean site, you know, health and safety. Don't want things tripping up or standing on something and cutting yourself. So we organise that all for you guys, and it's just part of it.
Awesome. Cambridge Hire Bins, they're awesome people. We deal with them. We recommend that you deal with them too. All right, Sean, I'm keen to have a look inside. Should we make it happen?
I reckon we go have a look.
All right, let's do it. All right, well, we're inside and you can see this is a 10 metre deep, so plenty of room, park the ute and plenty of room to walk around. What else have we got going on in the shed, Sean?
Straight away, you notice these big roller doors here. So they are 3 metres wide by 3.2 metres high, easily fit the truck in here.
Look how well done, beautiful flashing work, little curve around on the corner here. It's phenomenal. So these are just ready for Waikato door specialists to do their thing before Christmas. Get these roller doors installed and then bird brush on there as well. What else have we got going on in here, Sean?
So the shed is actually quite high itself. It's actually got a 3.6 stud height. So to the gutters, that's 3.6 metres. What's going to be happening in here is obviously this guy that we did it for works on a whole lot of sports performance cars. So we need something where it's high enough for him to lift something up or work or really anything. But if you come inside, you can see looking straight down there, big old clear span gable, can't get much better really.
Yeah, beautiful little knee braces in there, Apex, strength by design. All of this, our mates Metalcraft up in Auckland have produced this structure out of New Zealand steel. We love it, New Zealand steel, New Zealand made, that's where it's at. Watergate plus wrap in the walls just makes for a tidier workshop. Now what I want you to do is zoom in underneath here and we want to show how we attach the wrap to our Vermin flashing. So come in underneath here and what you'll actually see is we've designed our colour steel Vermin flashing so that it's able to have the wrap screwed into it so it's nice and tight and it protects the shed even more from the vermin. Why don't we just grab a leftover piece of Vermin flashing and have a look at that now. Cool, so this is one of the key differences in a Waikato shed. Some of our unnamed competitors will do a PVC Vermin flashing or none, whereas we get this specifically made in Hamilton by the Metalcraft guys out of 0.5 gauge colour steel. Now this sits on the concrete lip of the shed and then the cladding runs down onto the edge of this. What that does is it stops any vermin being able to get up and inside. But then we've actually created another lip here so we can attach the paper to it and it also just gives another barrier to stop any vermin and wind and that getting inside. Because we just want to make sure that we're making the best sheds possible for you guys. So, you know, great work on the installation, Kyron, but also great work, Metalcraft, getting the flashings right. So, well done, guys. Now, what else have we got going on in this shed, Sean?
As you can see, there's quite a lot of natural light here too. So the client has actually got 8 clear lights in the roof. It's corrugate, which matches the cladding on the roof as well.
Awesome. All right, let's see what else we got going on down here. Sweet, mate. So we've got Nathan here from Bonner Electrical. Hey, mate.
G'day.
He's doing the electrical work on this shed. So what are you doing here?
Just putting in some sub-mains from the main house and then just doing a whole bunch of high bay lighting and just power points, general power points and some power points and hoists and stuff like that so you can do all this mechanical work.
Nice.
Yeah.
How do you find it working on the steel shed like this?
It's pretty good, pretty easy, nice and clean. So clean work is good.
Yeah, nice. So no issues running the electrics in a shed like this?
No, it makes it a lot easier. I can just get into everything, do it all at once and not have to come back after a pre-wire or anything like that. Yeah.
Awesome. And so do you work just around the Morrinsville area, all around the Waikato?
All around the Waikato, but most work is based in Morrinsville, yeah.
Awesome. All right, if you want some good electrical work, Bonner Electrical, we'll link to it in the thing. Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
All right, so that was great to hear from Nathan and Bonner Electrical, what they're doing. All right, now we've got this beautiful Metalcraft. Whoa, what have we got here? Let's open this up.
Oh, hey guys.
It's sure. Perfect timing. We're just talking about Metalcraft PA doors. What do we love about a Metalcraft PA door?
Super easy to install. Check out one of our YouTube videos. Mark went through the whole thing about how to install it, but also locks both ways, good safety features, all you really need from your door. Check it out on the website.
Yeah, insulated panel in there, so it's nice and warm, nice and solid. You've got a 4-sided sill here, so it just screws into the jambs here and runs on a nice edge onto it.
So guys, you saw the new shed. What about the old one? This one's been here for about 10 years, still standing the test of time as per the Waikato sheds. Built strength by design. Jason, what do you reckon we got going on here?
This one is beautiful. T-rib cladding, just for a change, because we love T-rib and we know you do too. Look at it, looks beautiful in the white color, Vermin flashing, nice roller door from Garrett Door and Waikato Door Specialists. Nice alternating trim up the top there. But hey, why don't we go inside and see what a shed looks like after 10 years? Let's make it happen.
Hey guys, as you can see, we're in the old workshop. Not much space in here. You can understand why he needed a new bigger Waikato shed. As you can see, the structure still not too much different from what we are doing now. Jason, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, it's beautiful. Just like everyone says to us, my shed's never big enough. As soon as we finish it, I wish I built bigger. This guy's had to go and get a whole new shed, but hey, we love that as well. In fact, he actually bought this property with an existing Waikato shed on it that was done 10 years ago. It's great to see this and in the test of time. It's super strong. There's some great joinery in here by City Glass. And overall, you just come in here and you're like, man, sure it could do with a clean, but who doesn't want to wipe their cobwebs off away in the shed? Outside of that, looks phenomenal, and that's what you got to get, a shed that stands the test of time. Why don't we just check out this beautiful little PA door that we've got done over here by City Glass, and let's make it happen. All right, so we love a Metalcraft PA door, but we also working with our mates at City Glass to do glass doors as well. So this one would have been specified in here, got an excellent tint in there, beautiful opening, closing, 10 years on. There's also a ranch slider hidden away by some tools, another window around the other side. So overall, great little shed, and it's always cool to be able to come back and see something that you did 10 years ago, still standing the test of time, and the clients love it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Tell us what you thought about these sheds, comments below, everything like that. Like us, subscribe to us, because we're always going to be ready for more sheds. All right, thanks again for watching.